Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I want to show you how you can create a free blog. Alright, a free blog with a free hosting and all of that for free. Yes, so you probably need a blog if you're trying to do anything online. So a blog offers you an opportunity to put your content for free on the internet. So you're supposed to own your own blog, like have a hosting name, a domain name and a hosting plan, but you probably do not want to do all of that for now, or you do not have the money to start all of that, but you want a free blog. I want to show you how you can create a free blog using Blogger. So the first step is you need to come to Google, or you can just type google.com. all right, once you type Google, you come to a place like this. All right, but I'm assuming you have a Gmail account already. If you do not have a Gmail account, you have to create a Gmail account, because this is a Google product and you must have a Gmail account to be able to access this. So if you have a Gmail account, you should be logged in somewhere here. You should be logged in here. Alright, so you come down here, you click on this menu sign, if you like, and then you click down here where you have Blogger, then you open Blogger. Alternatively, let me show you an easier way to get it. So I'm just going to open an incognito tab. Okay, I don't think there's actually any need for that. Let's just come here. You can come here and then you type blogger.com, and then you hit on login, and we have the same interface. All right. Okay, that's not completely the same, but yeah, it's the same interface. So this is how you get here. So we are here now and we want to create a blog. But first, why do you need a blog? So you need a blog for a lot of reasons. You probably need it for your business. You need it just to make money online. You need it to document your processes or your skill, whatever you actually need it for. All right. So you can make money with your blog. You can exhibit your product or your service, or you just can grow an audience online using a blog. So this is what Google is going to offer us for free. Google is going to allow us to create this blog for free without paying any money. So once you create a blog, you are supposed to write articles, write stories, or whatever you like to do, and then you publish them on your blog. People will see this blog, people will go through this blog, and people will get to probably reach out to you or get to see what you're talking about, the product you're trying to sell, or the services you are rendering. All right, so that is actually what we want to do in this video. So I want to guide you through the entire process of creating this blog. So if you like videos like this, you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Goodnoel and I make videos like this. So let's get started. If you get to this point, you just have to come and create on blog, click on create blog or sign in. Either ways, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail account, and then you can link your Gmail account. So it's going to ask me to select the Gmail I want to use. I have a few of them here, so I'm just going to select one I want to use, and then it's going to redirect me, and then I log in. Now I need to create a blog and I need to name this blog. So this is a live video. All right, this is a live video, so I'm going to create this blog. I'm going to create this blog from scratch. So it's giving me a notice and it's saying European law requires you to give European visitors information about cookies. Okay, we get that, we understand that. Now let's set the title of our blog. This is what is going to be displayed at the top of our blog. So I'm just going to call this Goodnoel blog for the purpose of this video. Goodnoel blog. All right, and then we just continue. You click on next, and then this is the blog address. So this is like the URL you are going to be giving to people. All right, so it's your domain name. This blog address is your domain name. Now this is one of the turn-offs we get for using a free blog platform, because if you wanted your name to just be goodnoel.com, you wouldn't be able to do this because you are using a free hosting plan. All right, you can actually buy your domain and link it, but now we do not have a domain, so Google is actually giving us say a free domain, so you can buy a custom domain and add it. So any name you are giving to your website is going to come with this blogspot.com. It may not be a bad thing for you since you're trying to do something for free. Alright, so we've selected a name. You're saying that name is not available, and I wonder why. I don't think I have a blog with that name. Somebody has taken my name. What do you think I should do to this person? So we have our name selected, and now you click on next, and it's going to ask you for a display name. You can let's make it Good Noel as our display name. This is what you have to fix anything you feel is perfect for you here. So we click on finish, and we are our blog should be up by now. So now our blog is up. Our blog is up, but as you can see, we do not have any posts, we do not have any statistics, nothing. Everything is completely blank. All right, now let's try to see how you create a post on Blogger, because now you now have a free website, but as you can see, everything is blank. There's nothing here. Before then, let's view our blog so you see how it is. So here, once people come to your blog, as you can see, the URL is here. All right, this is the URL, and this is the blog name, and as you can see, it says there's nothing here because we have nothing there. So we need to put something on our blog so people can come and see that it's a good blog. All right, as you can see, we have nothing here, and this template is blank. So we have to go back to our Blogger. We have to go back, and then we come to themes. We want to change the theme. We want something that's more catchy, something people would like. All right, so we come to themes, and we can pick some themes we can use for free. So you search for it, you search for the one you want, you search for any theme you want. All right, and you can select it. I think I'll just go for anyone here. So you can preview it, customize it to apply it. So I'm just going to apply it and wait for it to apply. It says our theme has been applied successfully. So you come here and we refresh it to see if our theme has been applied. Yes, it has, but still we do not have any post here. All right, so we go back again, and you can equally edit the layout how you want it to appear. You can edit everything. If you do not want your Good Noel to be at the header the way it is here, you can change it. You can add cross column, everything, your blog posts. You can do a lot of settings here depending on how you want your blog interface to appear to the visitors. All right, so here you can create pages. You can create pages. Now we do not have any page, but you can just click on create a new page, and then you write whatever you want to write here. You can add images, embed links, add videos, practically anything you want to do, and you can publish it for free. All right, down here you can actually earn with this, because at the point you can create an Adsense account. This simply means that your blog can be monetized. That means they can place advert. That's actually one of the ways you earn with your blog or through your blog. You can equally do affiliate marketing with your blog, or you can sell your own product with your blog. But using ad placement is one of the ways that you can earn. Like here it says we can create an Adsense account. Before then, you need to have a sizable number of traffic, which means they have people coming to your blog, and these people can be shown adverts by Google. So Google is going to be paying you for the advert, for people who come to your website and people who see the advert and click on the adverts or even make purchases. So now it's showing that in our earnings we do not have an AdSense account connected, but if you want to go that route, you have to seek for approval from AdSense, and then you can connect it, and then you can start seeing your earnings if you've been approved. Now you can equally monitor comments on your blog posts. All right, and you can see the stats. You can see people who are coming to your blog, what they are doing, their comments, their posts, the number of followers, all of that good stuff. You can see everything. So it's actually straight to the point. It's straight to the point and it's free. Alright, so let's try and create a new post for our blog. So you click on create a new post, and then you have a template, a free template where you can start writing and creating your post. Now you can use this post for whatever you want. Alright, if you want to use it for your own thing, or you want to use it to market your goods or your services, whatever you want to do, but before then you must have done your writing, because this is a blogging is actually about creating writings and stuff like that. So if you want to do videos, you go to YouTube. Blogging is for writing and stuff like that. So you must have created your content before you can you come here and you publish. Alright, so I don't have any content created, so I'm just going to go to Google, and then I'm just going to copy somebody's article and then paste it here, just so you see how you can write articles. So I'm just going to open this one. I don't know what they're talking about. Let me just go. Let me look for an article I can just copy. Okay, let me just try something. Let me look at affiliate marketing for beginners, because that's one of the kind of videos I like to make on this channel. So let's look at something like that and see if we can find articles we can just copy and post. Okay, this one says how to make money with affiliate marketing programs. Now we're just going to select that, and then we're going to select the post. As you can see, this is actually a blog post. If you look here, you can see that it's under the blog category. So you can just come here. As you can, you see the blog layout the way it is. You can edit yours and set it to appear this way. But I just want to show you how to create articles. So I'm just going to copy all of these. Of course, you shouldn't copy people's article. If you are trying to be a blogger, that means you should be able to write or pay people who write for you. So we've copied that, and we'll come here and you can paste it, and then you can edit it to, okay, this edits itself because it's a direct copy and paste, so the format is there. So this is practically how you create your posts. Now for you to be able to add images, all you have to do is come here and you click on insert images. You can upload directly from your computer, you can upload from photos, or you can upload through Blogger or through URL. Alright, so if you have pictures in your computer, you can upload them directly. So I'm just going to try to get one picture I'll put there. So I'll just put any picture I see there, so we'll just proceed because okay, let me just put this picture, how to create Google website, a video I already made. So if you're looking out for videos like that, I'll put the link somewhere here, so you just get access to it and you watch it and you have fun with it. Okay, so here's our picture. You can move this picture wherever you want it to be. Alright, you can move it, you can crop it, and you can put it wherever you want it to be. Alright, you can resize it to your taste. You can actually embed links to it. I don't know why this is slow. Why is it hanging? So from here you can edit it, align it, set it wherever you want it to be. Alright, if you sell products, if you do affiliate marketing and you want to embed links to your affiliate link that redirects, you can do that easily. Let's say we want to embed a link here. These ones here, they are all embedded links. This one that has that are colored blue. So if you click on that, it's going to, as you can see, this is the link that was embedded. Alright, so the same thing here, you see the links are all here. But how do they do it? If you want to do it, the process is the same. So you can highlight where you want to embed this link, and then you can click on insert link, and then you put the link you want to insert. So I'm just going to put google.com as the link we want to insert there, google.com, and then you apply. So you can see that changes to blue, and once people click on it, it's going to redirect them to Google. So that's one of the ways you can embed links using this. You can equally add videos. Add emojis, add whatever you want, and you have a blog going. So all you have to do is start creating content, start writing content that would rank on Google, and people will begin to see your content. If you do not want to go the Google route, the SEO route, you can share your links to people who would find your write-up or your article useful to them, and then they will begin to engage with your article, and before you know it, you are in. So that, my friend, is how you create a free blog with Google. And let's publish this article and see how it appears on our blog. So I'm just going to publish it. Yes, we want to publish this article. So as you can see, it's publishing and it says publish. Now let's come to the main interface and look at this article and see. As you can see, we now have an article here. Alright, we now have an article here, and this is how it shows. Now if you do not like how this displays, you can go back again, go back to your Google, your themes, and then you can select another theme. What theme should we use? Soho. So you have a variety of choices here. Let me use this one. We apply. So once you apply it, you go back to your Google, you go back to your dashboard, you refresh, and boom, we have a new display here. And this is how your article is going to display to people. So you go around it, you tweak the settings to suit whatever you want. You build to suit whatever how you want it, and you are ready to go. All you have to do is write articles. You come here, you publish your articles, you write articles, you publish, and that's it, my friend. That's it. So that is how you create a free blog without paying a single dime. Alright, all thanks to Google. So yes, I'm done with this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.